All right, guys. So someone gave me this box. It's like glued shut. Like I can't open it. Clearly the hinges are right here. So I'm gonna try and open it because I want to use it for my ephemera stuff. I think it'd be kind of cool, right? It's a wooden box. Someone looked like they decoupaged a bunch of different stuff on there. Like, it's really cool, right? So I'm gonna try and open it as safely as possible, but I don't know about safety. So obviously I'm gonna start with these scissors. Probably cut myself in the process, but it did budge a little. Did I get it open? Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. I guess they just glued it. Holy cow, what is in here? What is this? Oh, it's a piece of like Velcro. Oh, I see. So this piece probably got stuck in here. Oh wait, look. Oh my god, it says, the last time you got out of the pool, you always wish that you had just one last chance to show what in fact it is you know. That if you were winning, you'd go on, and if you were losing, you could have won. As the locker room dips to sob or shout, you linger to be the last one out. For this one, for this chance to win won't come again, and the what ifs envision what might have been. You wonder if you had just what it takes in a game decided by inches and breaks. As you look at your suit piled near, you realize that's the last time you'll wear that gear. And you think through the weeks of sweat and pain, reliving each meet with its loss or its gain. Oh, it's like a swimming meet thing. You've enjoyed the high and suffered the low, the heart of defeat and the victorious glow. The pride that you carry will be what you have learned. The success you achieved. Sorry, you will be what you have learned. Though all season long on you light has been shed, your greatest accomplishments still lie ahead. You zip up your bag and slowly pack the gear that no more you'll wear on your back. You've had great experiences the mind will recall as you tried your hardest to advance us all. The season began, our spirits did soar. Now you lift up your pack and head for the door. As you open it outward, you step to a place where the challenge is greater at a 2-minute pace. So here is that chance in a different game, that hope for advancement and possible fame. You're part of the team, but the difference is true. The success of the mission is dependent on you. Just give it your best with all that you're worth, for to have a great life is the best game on earth. Oh, this must have been like a cute little, like, gift box. Wow, that's like really old. But yeah, I can definitely clean this up. Maybe I can take these pieces out somehow. I don't know. Or maybe shave them down and use it for ephemera stuff, like small little ephemera pieces that I have. This is so cool. Thought I was going to have something in it, but I mean, it did. It had this cute little poem. So again, must have been for like a gift. And as you can see, they put, looks like they put Mod Podge on here, and maybe that's how it got stuck eventually. I'm so glad I was able to open it. Ow, shoot, that hurt. I just got pinched in the back. But yeah, but look at it. It's so freaking cute. I'm going to clean it up, maybe add a couple things here and there. Wow, that's really cool. And the person who gave this to me was, she was elderly. She is, because she's still with us, is elderly. And she just gave me a bunch of random stuff to work, you know, with crafts and everything. So this was one of the pieces. I'm so glad I was able to open it. That's so cool. Now I can use it. Yay! All right, guys. So maybe in my next video, or maybe in a future video, I shouldn't say my next one. But you can see the brush strokes. I don't know if you guys can see the brush strokes of the Mod Podge on there. They use a lot of Mod Podge on this. You can tell. Wow. I would love to know how old this is. I would love to find out, but I guess we won't. I mean, I can ask her about it and get back to you guys, but I'm trying to lift this up. What is that? Oh. Big Me and My Big Ideas. Is that like... Oh, look, it's coming right off. This has got to be old because... Or old, I mean older. Because this wouldn't just like come off like this. This was definitely a cute little gift box. I'm sure they had something in here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll work on cleaning this up. Taking all this out once I find my tweezers, because that's really what I should be using, is my tweezers, right? Not my scoring pen. I mean, it's doing its job. It's doing the job, too. But look how easy it's coming off. But they did put, like, you can tell they have a lot on this side. Maybe they didn't put enough on this side. Maybe that's why it's coming off so easily. But guess what? I'm going to keep that in there. That's a cute little poem. I love it so much. So, yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. That is it for this video. So, all right. And see you in the next one. Bye now. See you later.